Hey, good people, and welcome back to Your Southern Roots. It's your girl Bree, and today's video is gonna be a little lengthy. I'm just giving y'all heads up because today I will be doing a new product review. I have quite a few products that I've used on my hair that I want to share with you all, and I'm gonna be transparent with you all. I've been experiencing a lot of shedding lately, and I had let my beautician know that I was experiencing shedding, and she also had noticed the last time I had went to the shop as she was washing my hair. And so I'm in the process of taking care of that now, and I had to get some new products. Um, and yes, they're quite expensive, but I feel like it's definitely will be worth it because I'm all about hair care. I feel like hair care is a part of self care, and so yeah, we're gonna get that in order, okay? So we're gonna get started, and I also have some other products that are inexpensive. Get started, and so the first two products that I'm gonna share with you all is the Olay Plex hair care line, and these are it right here. I have the number 4 bond maintenance shampoo, which is repair, straighten, and nourishes all hair types. And so this is the shampoo that my beautician recommended for me to use. And also I have another product by them, which is the Olaplex number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. And it moisturizes, soothes, adds body and shine to all types of hair. And this is the bottle right here. Um, so like I stated, this is the shampoo and the hair mousse that my beautician recommended for me to use. And I really like the product. It's very lightweight, and it doesn't take a lot. All you need is a little, and it should lather within your hair. But it's really good, and I'm just waiting for the results. Well, I guess the improvement of my hair. I did notice yesterday when I was shampooing my hair that my hair wasn't shedding as much. But as I say, she uses it in the shop, and it smells really good. It reminds me of Just For Me hair products with the smell. So I do like it, and like I said, very lightweight. And you can find these on their website, and as well you can go to like Amazon, but on their website, both of these bottles right here are $28 a piece. So they are a little pricey, but I do believe that it will be well worth it. So yes, definitely highly recommend these products for sure. And so secondly is that I purchased this Dove Styling Care Curls Defining Mousse, and this is it right here. And I purchased this from Target a few weeks ago, and it's only $4.99. And actually, the thing is, when I straighten my hair out, I wear my hair straight for like 2 weeks, and then the next 2 weeks I just do a braid out, and what I use is mousse to put on my hair, and I really like it. And I actually used it this time around. It's just my hair was not as straight as I normally would have it, of course, from when I'm coming from a flat iron. But this product is really good, and as I stated, you can purchase this at Target. It costs $4.99, so very inexpensive, and it smells really good. And I always love Dove products. This is actually my first time trying a hair product from there, but I normally wear Dove soaps and deodorants because I have very sensitive skin, and I've been using it since I was a kid. But I highly recommend this product. It's very good. I highly recommend purchasing this product as well. And then lastly, I have a leave-in conditioner by my hair beautician, Candice Reese, and it's called Color and Glow Extreme Hydration Leave-In Treatment. And this is the packaging for it. And I've also shared this on my stories, on my Instagram and Facebook stories when I first purchased it from her. But this product is really good. My first time using it was yesterday. So yesterday I tried a whole bunch of products on my hair. But this is really good. Like, I really had no problems with detangling my hair. I was able to finger detangle, and I also combed my hair through. But it was really good. Smells very good, lightweight. Um, a nice size bottle for it as well. So this should last quite some time. And this is $12. And so you can find this on her website, which I would put all the links down below in this video for these products. That way you all can find them. It left my hair very moisturized and soft for sure. And like I say, easy detangle. I feel like anytime you have a product that helps you detangle, that is a bomb product right there. So I highly recommend this. Please support my hair beautician, black owned business. But it's very good. But as I stated, I love all these products. I love Dove, from hair care all the way down to body care. I love it. And I definitely enjoy using these products the first time. So like I said, as I continue to see improvement within my hair, I will keep you all updated about that. But yeah, that's what I'm experiencing right now, just shedding. However, my hair is still growing. So that's a good thing, but we got to get this shedding under control. So if you all have experienced shedding, let me know what you all use, and maybe I can try some of those products as well. But I'm going to show you in this video how I apply the products on my hair, and also what I did for my braid out. So I hope you all enjoy this video, and please stay tuned for other videos to come. But once again, thank you for supporting, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Alright, as you can see, I am about to apply the shampoo into my hair. And I'm just going to gently massage that within my scalp. I just want to make sure that I'm getting all that product buildup out of my hair. So in my shampoo process, I definitely take my time, just try to work my hands all throughout my hair just to make sure I cover every section. And after I shampoo my hair, I did use my Design Essentials conditioner after. So you can use whatever conditioner that you would like to use within your hair. Alright, secondly, I am about to apply the mask to my hair. And with this, you want to focus on applying the product to your ends. That is very important. My beautician told me to do that, so I'm just going to make sure I am focusing on the ends. And I let it sit on my hair for about, I think about 10 to 15 minutes. No longer than 20 for sure. But just gently apply it to the ends. Alright, lastly, I am applying the leave-in conditioner. And again, I'm just going to focus on the ends of my hair. And as I stated, I love this product. It was very moisturizing for my hair. All of the products are really great. So like I stated, I highly recommend using all of these products. But as you can see, it's finger detangling. And then I'm about to break my hair into sections and just really get down to the business of detangling my hair. I always break my hair down in sections to make the detangling process easier for me, and also, like I stated, just finger detangle. And then I take a wide tooth comb and start at the ends and just work my way up to the root of my hair. And remember, while you're detangling your hair, please take your time. And when I'm finished detangling my hair, I just twist it into sections. That way it will not tangle back up. As you can see, I am in the process of blow drying my hair. However, when I blow dry my hair, I just pretty much hold it into place for it to be stretched out. I don't use a comb because I don't want it super straight. I just want it stretched out enough where I can style it the way I want it to be styled. And as you can see, I also break my hair down into sections while I blow dry my hair. And lately, I've been blow drying my hair because I want to stretch my hair out if I'm doing a braid out or a twist out. I feel like my braid outs and twist outs look better when they're stretched hair. And as you can see, I'm about to apply some Yael hair oil, the rosemary mint oil to my hair, just to give it a little moisture. Alright, I was tired, so I had to go in my living room and sit down. But as you can see, I'm about to do my last braid on my hair, and that's where I am using the Dove hair mousse. And so I think I had like maybe about 7 or 8 braids in my hair. And then I just added a perm rod at the end. And y'all, I was singing a song, so please pay me no attention. Alright, it is the next day and I'm about to take down my hair, and prayerfully it comes out pretty good. am applying a little oil to my hair, and then I'm about to start separating, as you can see. And please remember to take your time while separating your hair. That way you won't have a lot of frizz. I'm about to apply some Eco Gel to my edges to lay my hair down a little. I'm going to fluff my hair out a little bit more, and as you can see, it has a lot of volume, body, curls. I think it turned out great. It's very soft and moisturized, and I hope you all like it. And thanks for watching.